Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make chana puri with potato. You guys know I'm a lover of chana puri, like I love chana puri. We have the version of the dal with with the dal already on my channel, so you can check that if you have never seen the video yet. And I also have a recipe for chana puri dans la Cuisine Laila, which is my other channel, and it's in Creole language, a little bit French in it. So to this bowl over here I have all-purpose flour, I have a little bit of salt. To that I'm gonna add baking soda. I'm just gonna add a little bit. So this is a 1/4 teaspoon, which is 1.25 ml baking soda. And then we're also gonna add yeast, and I'm gonna add my yeast as well. Then I'm gonna use my hand. I have already washed my hand. I'm gonna mix all of this dry ingredient briefly, and then I have some water, and I'm gonna start mixing until I get the right consistency. The consistency, you can't make this too liquidy because this has to rest. This has to rest for at least, I would say, like 5 to 6 hours. That's like minimum. Unless if you like leave this bowl leave this dough like close to the stove in a warm place, and then it's gonna rise quickly. It's not gonna rise, go up, stuff like that. It's just gonna be, you're gonna see bubbles gonna start forming in it. I'm gonna show you when I get there, but for now I'm gonna go wash my hand. But before that I'm gonna cover this dough and I'm gonna let it rest just like that. As the dough rested, it will open a little bit, it will be loose a little bit. So if you make it liquidy right now or too much, like you can't hold it when it's time to make the chana puri fry in the oil. So let this rest. In the meantime, we can do the prep for the filling. Water is not boiling yet. I'm gonna add the potatoes right now. I cut them into small pieces so that they boil quickly. I don't wanna use a pressure cooker for this little amount of potatoes. So let the potatoes boil until soften. Potatoes ready, soften. I'm just gonna take a fork and mash it. I'm gonna add a little bit of turmeric powder, a little bit of salt, and then chopped coriander and chopped green onion. And I'm just gonna take a spoon and mix everything together. If you have a little bit of curry powder, you can add here. Some curry powder also is going to make this filling flavorful. Now let's see. And okay, now I want you to see, to check how the dough is looking. It's like you guys can see those bubbles on top, and this is what you need to make the best chana puri. If your dough does not becomes like this, you have to redo it again. It's not gonna be chana puri. And then in the meantime I made little balls for the filling, the stuffing for the chana puri, and this is potatoes. It just looks like dal to me. So oil is preheating, we're gonna go fry them. And now we are just gonna grab the filling, dip in the batter, and then carefully just drop in, just like that. Cover the whole filling and then just grab it like that. Just remove the excess, and just like so. Chana puri doesn't take too long to cook. Now you can see it's already catching color, but normally chana puri doesn't have too much color, a very light color. So you can see how they are like gorgeous. gorgeous looking chana puri. So make sure the heat is over medium low. One of my favorite at all time, I would eat chana puri. I used to eat them every day on my lunch break at school. I will never forget those days. Potato chana puri is ready. Yes, I know you guys gonna say we need a nice chutney, a little bit spicy. I'm gonna go do that now after I leave in you guys, but I just want you to see the inside. I'm actually gonna which one is like less hot? Okay, I just want you to see. Here you are. Chana puri, my favorite. This is potatoes. I don't know why it looks like dal. My mouth is watering. I know it's hot, but I have to. Even without chutney, I have to. No choice. Forget about diet. Forget about diet when it's time to eat chana puri. We can cheat for one day when we eat chana puri on the diet. So good. Check the written ingredient down below in the description box, and I will see you next time. Bye.